Hello internets! Today we're gonna do a tiny unboxing. Tonka Tinys to be exact. Built tough. Or built to last, sorry. Let's see what's in here, shall we? Yeah, let's tear open this one too. Get to the goodies inside quicker. Oh. Alright. Cardboard sleeves. Oh, that's cool. The garages have like little things so you can interlink them. There we go. Haha. Now, one garage. Two garages. And you can also even stack them. That's cool. That's convenient. See what the packaging says this. Tonka Tinys, built to last. And all the fine print. Nothing really special. Now let's see what's in the garages. Let's see. Boom. Oh. This one I got a tiny little cement truck. Oh, that's awesome. They're plastic and not metal. But, you know, I suppose I should expect that, something so small. I wonder if the big Tonkas are made out of plastic now. I used to have Tonka toys when I was a kid, and they were all big chunks of metal. Ooh, what's this? It's the garbage truck. We got the garbage lifter. Think clean, go green. Tonka. That's cool. Tonka Tinys. Series 3, eh? Wow. So these are all the different ones I could have got. Wonder if both of the boxes are the same. I wasn't sure. Oh yeah, they're both Series 3. Both Series 3. Ooh, the bulldozer would have been cool. Oh, there's a school bus. That's cool. And a fire truck. The dump truck. Oh, I love the dump truck. Yeah, lots of cool little guys. Now, I bought these for two reasons. One, you know, Tonka is cool. I love Tonka toys when I was a kid. And two, I wanted to see how the scale was, to see if they could be good to use as like terrain pieces for my Drop Zone Commander games. So let's see, this is like a troop carrier, and this is like a tank. Okay. So, I don't know if this wasn't a cement truck. Like it should be a bit bigger, I think. I don't know. It's pretty close. Pretty close. A little small. Yeah, I think these would be perfect for 10mm, probably. Awesome for a 10mm scale war games, but Drop Zone Commander's 15mm, I believe. So these are just a little tiny, but they're still awesome. Let's put them back in their garage, eh? That was cool. It's my tiny Tonka toy review. See you next time, internets. Bye-bye.